Guys, a very warm welcome to you in this video, and today in this video we are revealing our brand new series, which is AI series, or you can say artificial intelligence series. Guys, we have put too much efforts to create this series because every video in this series is a gem. Either that particular video will help you to generate some money or will help you to become the 10x version of yourself. Literally, we have worked day and night for this series. Now, let's start this introduction video where I'll be explaining you that for whom this course has been created, right? So let's start with the first slide, and here I have mentioned 2 points, and simply I have mentioned over here that why this series is important, what is the key element in this series, or you can say why you should watch every video in this series. So I have mentioned 2 points over here. The first point is you will learn the real ways to earn money, and that too using AI. I'll be talking about this point in the next slide, why I have mentioned real ways, right? And then the second point is we'll provide you with a practical tutorial of AI tools that can help you to become 10x version of yourself. So basically, either the video will help you to make some real cash, or the video will help you to become more efficient, more effective, right? So our aim is to provide just these two things only, not more than that, right? Now let me explain you about the first point, then I'll explain you about the second point, like why I have mentioned the real ways over here. Let me go to the next slide. Here I have mentioned that there are thousands of videos are available on YouTube that claims that that tools or that ways or that methods will help you to generate regular income. Even you don't have to do anything. You just have to work on an initial basis, basically on the initial level of the project where you'll be setting up all the things. Like one of the most popular method I have seen on YouTube is creating a faceless YouTube channel, right? Like there are thousands of videos who are claiming that you can earn $1,000 or $10,000 by creating a faceless YouTube channel. And the irony is they are talking about this method, they are suggesting this method to their audience on a YouTube channel where they are physically available with their face. I mean, they are working on a regular basis. They are working 7 days a week to create videos for their YouTube channel, and they are suggesting some ways to their audience that they can earn a good amount of money by just creating a faceless YouTube channel. And after setting up all the things, you don't have to do anything. Everything will be on autopilot. So is it real? Not that much. Although definitely there can be some exceptions, but on a majority basis, this is not the exact thing. See, AI is on an initial basis right now. AI can help you to generate good amount of income by making you more efficient, by helping you in your different tasks, by helping you in your hard time like creator block, writer's block, right? So this is how AI can help you to generate good amount of money, but AI is not capable to earn money by itself and just you need to set up that software or that tool. No, it is not like that. Right? So I'll be explaining in this series, this is my aim, is to explain you all the techniques and different tools available in the market and the real ways which can help you to earn some good amount of money using AI tools, right? So I hope now you got the point. I hope you don't have any confusion, but still if you have any question or query, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Right now, after earn with AI, I'll explain one more thing, and that is how you can increase your productivity by 10x. It is not like I have mentioned 10x here, so every tool will help you to become 10x. But yeah, overall, these tools, these techniques can help you to become the 10x version of yourself, right? So this is the way to tell that how capable these AI tools are. I've already said that these AI tools on an initial basis right now, but still they can done a great job. That's why I am creating a proper series on these tools. So as I told you earlier that we'll be revealing the best AI tools available in the market and will provide you a practical tutorial, not like other YouTubers or not like other videos where they just tell you about like this video, this tool can help you and you can go on their website, download the tool or log into their tool and just use it. No, this is not the proper way. Sometimes user doesn't know how to use the tool, right? But in that case, we are here to tell you, right? we'll be creating proper, we'll be showing you proper tutorial that how you can use those tools and what are the use cases, what are the pros of tools, what are the cons of that tool. Everything will be covered in the videos, right? And to give you a glimpse, which kind of tools I'm going to mention in this series, like there will be a tool which can help you to create a proper PPT, PowerPoint presentation, and that is not any cheap PPT or any cheap presentation. That will be proper full-fledged presentation, right? Then there will be tools which can help you to create industry leading logos with the proper text, because you might know that the popular graphic designing tools like Midjourney or DALL-E doesn't create text properly. Basically they are not capable to create text, they are just into designing. So I'll revealing some tools which can help you to create that text properly as well. Then I'll provide some tools which can help you to generate codes. So everything will be covered in this series, from social media to advertisement to coding. So I hope this much explanation is okay for you. Now you can stay tuned for the series itself, where I'll be revealing different tools, different ways. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss this series, right? Also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notification, you don't miss the notifications, right? Now I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the series. Till then, bye bye.